Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to measuring a DC fault and AC fault using a multimeter analog. First of course you need a multimeter analog and something that you want to measure. In this video I want to use the battery for the DC fault and power outlet for the AC fault. Okay, next prepare the multimeter and make sure the multimeter is still working, and I want to measure the battery first. Okay. First of all, you need to put the multimeter scale on the DC fault. Yeah. Since the battery I will use this around 1.5 volt. I will using the 10 volt scale. Okay. If you already set the scale, next you just need to put the oh my bad. Need to put the red probe on the positive and the negative probe in the negative. Oh shit. Just put it in the negative and the positive. You will see the pointer is raising around 1.4 and 1.5. That means the battery is still working and have the output around 1.4 and 1.5. Okay, the next one I want to measure the AC volt. For the AC volt, I will using the power outlet. We need to put the multimeter scale on the AC volt. Yeah, I will using this on the 250. Okay, if you don't use the scale, just put the negative and the red probe on the power outlet. And you will see the pointer is raising around 200, 220 and 225. Yeah, maybe that's it for the how to using analog multimeter. Thanks for watching.